Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be cleaning my fridge. Join me, let's clean this fridge. Thank you. This part is the top is clean, so we are going to restock it. Throw some of the stuff that I don't need to be in here away, and then restock everything. Then we'll do the bottom. My daughter was gonna do the restocking. She's very good at that, so she's gonna do it all. So get to work, Rebecca. Let's go. Start. is the end of the video. We done our best at cleaning your fridge. We are done. It's looking good. It looks good. So thank you for watching. You're gonna see us in our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Love you. Bye.